Hello and namaste to everyone. My name is YUG Bhandari and I'm a student of grade 9 studying in Imperial World School. And today I'm here to explain the formula a³ minus b³ with a visual model that is present over here. We can assume this cube that is present here as a³ because the length, breadth and the height all are a. And when we take this small portion out, we will assume this is b³ because the length, breadth and height are b. So now here we've got a visual model of the formula a³ minus b³. Now let's derive the formula of a³ minus b³. So to derive the formula, we need to first find the volume of the remaining part when b³ is removed. And to find the volume, we need to first find the length of each and every sides. So as you can see here, the length of this side will be b, and we can visually compare here. The length of this side will be a minus b, because b is removed from the whole of a, and this part is untouched, so it will be a, it will remain the same. And same goes for this. This will be a, this part will be a minus b, and this part will be b. And now you can see the height will be b, and you can visually see this by comparing it to this. So now let's find the remaining volume of this remaining part when b³ is removed. To make it easier for us, let's join these two figures so that we have a cuboid. Now we know the formula of volume is length into breadth into height. We have the length, breadth and also the height. So now we need to find the volume of this blue remaining part. Again, for the volume we need the length, breadth and the height. This part and this part are untouched, so the length will be a, but talking about this part, we have removed b, so the length will be a minus b. Now to derive the formula of a³ minus b³, we need to find the volume of cuboid 1 and cuboid 2 and join them. We know in cuboid 1 we have the length, breadth and the heights, which are a into a minus b. And again for the cuboid 2, we also have the length, breadth and height, which are a plus b plus into a minus b into the height, which is b. Now when we solve this, we have a square into a minus b, and remaining we can write it like that. Now we can take the common, which are a minus b are the common, as you can see here, and the remaining ones we have got are a plus b, b, and then we've got a square. Now further solving this, we can write this as ab plus b into b is b square, and the remaining one is a square. And hence we've got the formula of a³ minus b³. So that was the visual representation of the formula a³ minus b³. We also derived the formula from these models. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new in this video. To have such more videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you very much.